In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can fix a missing Wi-Fi driver on your Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. This is also going to work with previous Windows versions, so if you're on 7, 8, you'll still be good. But if your Wi-Fi driver is missing, your network may not work properly, here's exactly how you can troubleshoot it and fix any issues that you might be having. Real quick though, if you could leave a like on this video, share it with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, we'd greatly appreciate it. It does help out the channel. Find this little search icon at the bottom of your taskbar and type in Device Manager and then click on this page right here to open it up. You'll find this section right here, and this is going to be alphabetically sorted, but essentially go ahead and look for the network adapter section right here. I know it's kind of small and hard to see on the screen, but click on this little arrow and it's going to expand all of these options. Look specifically for your Wi-Fi adapter here on this list. Essentially find it and right click on it, and then you should see an option that says disable device, which essentially means it is already enabled. Go ahead and click on it, and what this is going to do is disable it temporarily. And once you do so, go ahead and right click again, and this time hit update driver. It's going to pull up with a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and click on the option that says browse my computer for drivers, and then go ahead and click on this option that says let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to choose the most appropriate driver from your list, and essentially go ahead and just click on it and then hit next, and it's going to install that driver for you. Now this may take a few minutes, but once it does finish, it should pop up with a page that looks something like this. If that doesn't solve the issue, make a note of the exact name of your Wi-Fi adapter. Now go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Chrome, but anything works, and essentially search for your specific Wi-Fi driver. If you don't find it directly, try searching your motherboard's make and model instead. You'll want to visit the official site, something like Asus, MSI, Gigabyte, whatever you might have, and go to the support or download section and find the LAN or Wi-Fi drivers under the drivers tab, and essentially just download the correct driver, extract that zip file, and then open that folder and directly run whatever setup you might have to install it. In my case, I have MSI, so I'd run the MSI setup file to install the driver. But that's it. Your Wi-Fi connection should now be working properly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe.